Oh, that's gorgeous. A ring and some hair clips. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. Alright, these three are for you.
This turnip was already ripped.
That's okay.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, a cute, it's a puppet, a horse puppet. And another cool top. Look at this, with a zip in the front. That'll keep you toasty outside. And oh, it's a warmy one.
It's a sweater.
And your thumbs can go in here.
See, Mom?
The cool ones like I have.
What?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Now this one?
Sure.
Or is this yours?
That's yours. What is that? It's a kit, and you can make paper flowers. Cool.
Pipe cleaner.
You can make, look, all these special flowers here, Shona. Isn't that cool? Yoo-hoo! Isn't that awesome?
For me?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of presents.
You sure are.
I guess Grandma New Zealand really loves me.
Yes, Grandma and Grandpa New Zealand really do love you. Woohoo! What's this? You can make a doll. What did Danny get? Ah, milk bottles.
Really yummy.
Oh, licorice.
Ooh, some nice wool socks. Awesome and merino.
Oh,
And some more nice wool socks.
very nice.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Dad, can't believe we got all shirties.
All right. Yay, rollies! That's what I wanted. Some licorice. Awesome. And some nice woolly willows socks. Awesome. Thank you. Love the socks. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Merry Christmas.